I'm Ben.
And I'm Jasmine.
And we're all fourth-year students in Honors Health Science at the University of Waterloo.
For our submission to the Canadian Standards Association Academic Challenge, our team has chosen to talk about the impact of using the Canadian CSA-Z434 standard for industrial robots and robot systems to implement collaborative robots, otherwise known as cobots, into the workplace as an ergonomics tool.
The prevalence of MSD risk in industry is no secret. Our team took the time to look into what exactly that burden is in the Canadian workplace. We found that quick, efficient, streamlined tasks are now the norm in industry, posing a significant burden on the workforce. Such working environments are placed at increased burden on the human responsible for completing these tasks. Damage to soft tissues as well as the nervous system can be witnessed from an array of tasks, including but not limited to high force, frequency, duration, and awkward postures. MSDs account for the majority of reported occupational disease and impact nearly half of the industrial working population. It is projected that by the year 2031, more than 15 million Canadians will be negatively impacted by MSDs. Although these injuries and disease may not directly lead to death, MSDs contribute to premature mortality or a decreased quality of life. MSDs have also contributed to a significant economic burden. The total economic burden placed on the Canadian economy resulting from MSDs was $25.6 billion in 1994. As a result of the large increase in the industry sector, this burden escalated to $37 billion in 2011. It is necessary to consider alternative controls to eliminate or reduce the exposure to such ergonomic hazards.
The overarching goal of our project is to eliminate MSD hazards in the workplace because we know it is not sufficient to provide simple engineering or administrative controls. So why exactly are cobots a great ergonomic tool for reducing MSD hazards in the workplace? While robots are good at a very few important things, such as precision, endurance, and power, in quite an opposite manner, humans are good at logical tasks, adapting to unforeseen events, and decision-making. The roles and skill of a human and a robot greatly complement each other, making them the perfect team. What our team wants to address is the impact of utilizing this cobot human team to reduce ergonomic burden. We plan on doing this by using the pre-existing comprehensive CSA standard for industrial robots and robot systems.
Aside from being a great standard for the design of cobots, the CSA-Z434 standard also provides a wide-ranging set of materials that we believe could really be used to implement collaborative robots in the workplace as an ergonomics tool. Cobots have the potential to completely eliminate MSD hazards, making them a great tool to control the high rates of MSDs that are occurring in Canadian industry. Aside from including ergonomic considerations in design guidelines, the Z434 standard also outlines where additional ergonomic hazards may exist. These same guidelines can be used to develop a needs assessment to identify areas in which a cobot would be effective and efficient. This creates the means to develop a comprehensive workstation layout that has no ergonomic burden. And we know that with no ergonomic burden, you increase your production, your efficiency, your quality, and your overarching safety. The Z434 standard also provides user responsibility guidelines and training considerations that can be additional tools for impactful implementation. Our team truly feels that using the Z434 standard provides a wealth of information regarding design, implementation, training, responsibility, and ergonomic considerations that can be used to truly impact the ergonomic burden that so broadly encompasses Canadian industry.
We look forward to the opportunity to further present our ideas of utilizing the Canadian CSA Z434 standard as a solution of using collaborative robots to eliminate MSD risk in Canadian workplaces.
Thanks for watching,
And we'll see you soon.